Okay, today is February 14th, 2023, and I am at the flower shop HVAC complex, and it's actually been a while since I filmed here, and my foot's feeling better too. I'm currently wearing this healing boot so I can walk around, but yeah. Here we have a new unit that, this was installed, this unit was actually installed back in March of last year, but I've never gotten around to filming it until now. It is a Comfortmaker. It's not running. It has an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. It is from 2021, and it is a 3.5 ton 16 seer unit. It replaced a 2008 Ream Value series that was frozen up a lot. And this has a Broad Ocean fan motor. But yeah. Just thought I'd make a video of this unit while I'm around this area. Anyways, thanks for watching.